Dear brothers and sisters, I think you're doing well. My account balance is only $5. I'm looking to grow this account more than 100%. Why I took sell here? I analyzed market with the trend line. We have bearish engulfing as our confirmation. Left side strong resistance. You can clearly see it in lower time frame. (15 minutes time frame), we have hidden engulfing where we can use Fibonachi retracement. One big bearish candle has crossed over by two bullish candles. This is called hidden engulfing. Fibonacci entry zone match our entry point. After installing awesome oscillator, price making divergence setup. When awesome oscillator making divergence, there will be reversal or pullback.
Years later.
Market reacted to our setup. Price dropped by almost 30 pips. Price now in demand zone. So this is the time to take profit and secure my money. This account has only $12. This account is the one grow from $5 to $12. You can see this video how I managed to grow this account. Why I sold here? The left side we have strong resistance. M15 time frame we have CSM sell and re-entry will be moving average 510 high. And also we have awesome oscillator divergence setup. Take profit area will be low Bb. I hope price will increase uptrend here. Now price is in low BB and it is time to take profit. I don't care if you are tired, if you are going bad times. Right now, you need to work much harder. Nobody cares about your problems. Most successful people have had a hard life. You are nothing special. The only thing that matters are your results.